Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to discuss fundamental analysis of different investment avenues. And we will start with table of content. This topic includes a basic introduction, then the categories of investments, objectives of investment, types of investment avenues, then the importance of investment avenues, and at last that is the conclusion. We'll move forward with the introduction. Now I would like to discuss a bit about what youshops.com is. YoShops is basically a place that helps in personal finance or peer-to-peer lending, and even helps the fundraising for the startups and turn them into commercial ventures. We already have our business partners like Swiggy, ICICI Direct.com, and many others. So this is what we basically do. This is what our working is all about. Now we move to the basics of investments. Now the question raises, what is investment and the basic concept? The investment is basically an asset that is acquired, with the future goal of generating an income. In a layman's language, we can describe an investment as it is. And the concept, there are basically two concepts that are related to the investment. One is economic concept and the other one is financial concept of the investment. There are three categories of investment: the ownership, lending, and the cash equivalents. The ownership investment is the most volatile and the profitable class among all the three. Any like examples we can take like real estate, stocks. Then comes the lending investment. In lending investment, the risks are generally lower as compared to the ownership investment. So consequently, the rewards are relatively modest. Let's say saving account and bonds, and cash equivalents, as the name suggests. In these types of investment, we take into consideration those goods or services that can be easily converted into cash as fast as. So these are three basic categories of investments. Now we'll discuss about the objectives of investment. That is basically the purpose why investments are made. There might be different reasons, let's say to meet the financial goals, to minimize the burden of taxes, keep money safe. Also, one of the main source steady stream of income, help money grow. So these are basically the objectives of the investment. Now comes the different types of investment avenues. That is the different fields that investment can be made, like stocks, real estate, gold and silver, FDs, mutual funds, PPF, NPS, ULIP accounts, senior citizen schemes, certificate of deposits, post office schemes, and many others. These investment avenues can be made depending upon the riskability, person's need, vision. So all those factors count in, and then any particular person can choose the investment avenues depending what his goal or her goal is. Now the question arises, why are investment avenues important in an individual's life? So there are many reasons, like one can be for unforeseen situations. The other one is for the inflation rate. Someone wants to be, the other one is like someone wants to be the financially independent. So all these reasons, the reasons are very dynamic and differ from person to person. But these are some basic reasons that why investment plays an important role in one's life. I would like to conclude by saying that these various investment avenues help an individual to be a better person in the creation of wealth. And even investment also provides a mental state for the future. And even the analysis have shown that if a person is going for the long term investment, having a better patience level with funds and the investment, then it is most likely to get more significant returns in the future. I would like to thank everyone for your patience and time, and you can contact for any queries on the given mail ID. Even you can give us a call on the particular mobile number. The timings are mentioned. Thank you for your time.